friends. Today we will discuss on the polymorphism in Java. So we will take one example for this. I will create one package. We will create first our main application. Here we will have our main method. Okay, so now we will what we will do, first we will create one sample class that is a POJO, and then we will discuss regarding the compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Basically polymorphism is having two types, one is a compile time and second one is a runtime, that is the dynamic polymorphism. We will create one employee class where we will have two fields, one is a employee ID and second one is a employee name. Private string employee name. We will create a getter setter for the same. We have taken the two constructors, that is the first one is a parameterized and second one is a default constructor. No parameter constructor. We will create getter setters for the two fields. And we will override the toString method of the object class. Okay, so now what we did actually, to understand, means right now we are having one employee class that is having two fields, that is employee ID and employee name, and we have created the getter setter, and we have overridden the toString method from the object class. Now what we will do, we will create the instance of employee and provide the reference to the parent type, that is the object class. So object okay, so what we did here, we have created the instance of the employee and provided reference to the object class. So so here means as actually the employee class is the child of the object class, so we can definitely provide the reference of this employee instance to the object type of reference. So now what is compile time or static polymorphism? Okay, so here actually here if means if using the reference, if we try to execute, if we are trying to call the methods, then actually we can call the methods only which are specified in the class of the reference type. So here even this is the instance of the employee, but we can call only the methods which are available in the type of the reference. So here the reference is of the object class, so no matter what is the instance, we can call only the methods which are available in the object class. So here if like if you can see in the employee class we are having the getter setters as well, for the two fields like get employee ID And like for every fields we are having getters setters, and actually we have overridden toString as well. But but as we provided the reference of the parent class, so we can call only the methods which are specific to the class of the reference. So here uh, using the reference, if we are calling the methods, then actually we can able to call only the methods which are specific to the object class. So we will not able to call the methods like extra methods which are available into the employee class. So now this is the compile time or the static polymorphism. Now second one is the what is the dynamic or the runtime polymorphism. To understand this, what we will do in the object class, actually we are having toString method. Total find we are having yes, we are having this toString method. So in the object class, actually in the object class we are having toString method. So what is the return type of that? That is the class name and the hash code, like class name at the rate hash code. So in the employee class, what we did, we have overridden the toString method. Our return type will be the our field representation, that is whatever the employee ID and employee name we have provided. So what we will do, we will provide some ID and employee name. So first of all, what we will do, we will try to call the toString method. So here if you can see, we can call only the methods which are available into the object class. Object class is the type of the reference, type class of the reference. Okay. So here we called the toString method. So very first of all, the compile time polymorphism is what we can call only the methods which are available in the class of the reference type. But now, what is the dynamic polymorphism? Actually, at the runtime, now here we are able to call the toString method, but at runtime, actually, what is happening? At runtime, on the actual instance, if the actual instance has overridden that method, then that will be get executed. So that is the dynamic polymorphism. So here in the object class itself, we are having the toString method, as I shown earlier. We are having this method toString, but actually in the employee class we have overridden this toString method. So from our application we can call only the methods which are available into the object class, but actually at the runtime what it will do, at the original instance, if that method is overridden, that will get executed. So here output will be, we will check. So here the output is the overridden toString method, which we in the employee class we have overridden this method, so that is executed. So in the simple steps, the compile time and dynamic polymorphism, runtime or divide. Actually, these two terms are associated with each other. Uh, just difference is that in the compile time, actually we can call only the methods which are available into the reference class of the reference type, and in the dynamic polymorphism, if we have overridden that method, then actually at runtime that will be get executed. So now for example, if the employee class is not overriding this toString method, so in that case what will be the output? So actually in that case what is happening, so actually in that case, as you can see, this is the object class toString method which is executed. So that is the class name complete, fully qualified class name. And second one is the hash code, which is means which is separated by the @ symbol. So uh, so first of all, if we have not overriding, if means if we have if our original instance, if our instance is not overridden the method which we are calling from the for using the reference. So in that case, the reference class method will get executed. If we are overriding our method in the method of the actual instance, then in that case actually that method will get executed. So So here actually in the employee class we have not overriding the toString method. So very first of all, when we execute this method like reference dot toString, so in that case compile time we can call only the object class method. But at runtime, what is happening actually, it will check whether the employee instance employee method has overridden the toString method. So here in this case, actually employee is not overriding the toString method. So what it will do, it will check the if the parent is means it will try to get that toString method from the parent. So in the parent actually the definition is found. So that is the class name @ hash code. So that is executed. So here, if we are, for example, if we are overriding this toString method, so in that case, actually the output will be the from the method execution from the employee class, as we provided. And second, if we are if we are if we are going to remove this implementation, if we are not overriding this toString method, then in that case the output will be from the parent class demo test. Okay. And one more thing, the both compile time and static. Okay, so now we are having two types as well, like the method overriding and overloading. So actually, the method overriding is the concept of runtime method overriding. So as actually we seen, if we are not overriding means at the runtime actually on the instance on the actual instance actually the checked is like the if the method has overridden. If that is overridden, then that will be executed. If not, then the parent method will get executed. And the overloading is the concept of compile time. Yes, okay. I hope I hope you means I can explain the things. Thank you so much.